An accused can be charged with both laws. Tandaan niyo double jeopardy does not apply. Bakit walang double jeopardy? Ibang crime. Okay? Dalawa yung na-violate mong batas. Ano magagawa natin? So, dalawa din yung kaso. So, there has to be detailed, accurate reporting at the trial court level. Okay? People versus Ubanon, they were working as onion peelers daw. Yun yung offer. 3 minors were transported from Bukidnon to Marawi. Malapit lang ito. No? So, here, yun pala, unpaid sila and forced labor. Okay? So, conviction affirmed, life imprisonment. Okay? Mga minor kasi. So, trafficking is not just sex work. It includes forced labor, recruitment, and exploitation. So, defense argument. Ito yung mga defense. Okay? Paano nyo malalaman na invalid ito? Let's say, she approached us first. It was entrapment. So, valid yon. If intent is in the suspect's mind, the police stratagem is legal. This is the case of Casio. Okay? She was already a prostitute, irrelevant. Past history does not justify current exploitation. She agreed to the money.